So as you can see, we're going to be using the metallic gold one shot, new palette, and every time again I like to palette. This is all mixed ready with turpentine and it's a good consistency, so here we're ready to go. Okay, so we're going to come straight in, straight over everything we've done. We can come out, they've got quite a big thick outline there, so that's kind of good. Nice big brush as well we got using. Level that off. Try and get every little bit. Plenty of paint down on here, look. Nice consistent layer. Just as neat as you want to be, really. You can. It's going to be going on to this, used for the outlines. So as long as you're covering the main area, that's all we need to be doing. Got a big chunky brush there to do it with. You can get it in quite quick. Again, it's more movement with the mouse stick, which is the important part. Flick it round, get it leveled out. Don't have it thick in there. What we don't want is this to be really thick on there. Metallic one shot always tends to have a little bit of transparency to it, but that's fine. That's all going to dry nicely now. We'll leave that and come on to the black next.